So, after our today's class about using yoga to address medical conditions and physical ailments, most of you told me that you have recently started walking or you are determined to walk from tomorrow. It became important for me to talk about it. So, before you start any fitness regime, I'm going to warn you how walking might not be a good option for you. See, I'm not against walking. Walking is a yoga also if you do it assertively. More on that later. But talking about walk with all the goodness that it offers, there's cardiovascular effect, the increased metabolism rate, the joints are better lubricated. But it comes with a serious side effect which most of you ignore. Understand that walking is a repetitive movement. Your knee joints repeat the same action thousands of times. With every step, the impact has been transferred to your back and to your spine. And mind you, here we are dealing with medical conditions. Every little impact matters. Compared to your other exercises, because walking is a very basic action, it's a very natural action. Your brain does not put much efforts in it. So it also does it on a auto mode. It does not burn much calorie. It makes more sense to reduce your calorie intake rather than walking for hours and hours. Should you not walk at all? I am saying first prepare your body, condition your muscles, season them, then you switch to more strenuous workout. Until then, there are so many options that you can do without harming yourself. See, even for that matter, running has not much benefit over walking. Not many much difference in the calorie. Please, you can Google the difference. Whereas just lying down on the back on your bed where your spine is well supported, rising the legs in the air where there is no weight on the knees, walking in the air or cycling in the air is much more intense than actual running 30 minutes on the ground. Just do it for 5 minutes, try it. You'll be surprised. And you're safe, you're in the bed, your back is rested. Give it a try and find options for yourself. Find safer options for yourself. In the last, of those who have made a target 10 kgs, 5 kgs, 3 days, 8 days, all that crashed diets and targets, I would suggest why not make a lifestyle change? Change the lifestyle first because your lifestyle is 24 hours. Your gymming can maximum be 1 hour, 90 minutes at the most. And all the other 23 hours you are going to spend on undoing the good effect of the gym. I'm not against gym. Do it. But before that, it makes more sense to change your lifestyle. So focus on the lifestyle, then the target will be a byproduct. More on that later. For now, I think you have got the point. Find your asanas, find your workout, the workout that suits you. There are many options available. We recently did uh, exercise for your knee replacement. Most of the people who got their knee replaced thought that now they can never work out, and yet we have such intense workouts for you. See, intense does not mean high impact. It, if a smart workout, you are putting no impact on the body, and yet you are working out intense. More about it in our next class. See you on Saturday.